ebusian for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Message like, comment, subscribe, hit no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for again. And one of the main communicators for Tim Ken, our MP for Nshai, so is Stephen Amwa. What be defend the Honorable Ken our radio. And he's saying, over the past 2 days, 3 days, no, Honorable Ken did a campaign as a or the Akwa Eastern Region Honum. Now, Eastern Region Honum, no, same dia ya okano. As a same no, it's not really good as a. Now, Becca, I said, before now, no, Honorable Ken the kind call North, or you call Northeast, Upper East, and Savannah and the others. Now, Oko no, now the campaign message nini say, more up north honum, they should not think say because Baumia every north and tino, omuko to Abama Baumia. And see, Omuya Sadia, they are being tribalistic. Yes, sir. Now southern part phones are because say, okay, Muso to Abama be of south. And we cannot build a political party in that line. Enyefe. Now, Oka we and some of the communicators from Baumia camp, ebe ya nu said debut. History tells us, say, there were times that Northerners came together and voted for someone from the south. Ebra Akufo-Addo, any Aliu Mahama, a contest, Nkofo be brea omu free north. Omo to Aliu Mahama, omu to Akufo-Addo. Essence omu who say Akufo-Addo was the best candidate to lead MPP forward. And now a response anchor for Edema Honorable Ken. But Honorable Ken is anchor Eastern Region. No. Oka said there be Nkofo more north no. They are proud to say almost submit to be offering north. Now omo ya southerners so no say ye proud say ye dey obi saeba. Now asem no it generated a lot of controversy. People are saying say Honorable Ken is tribal. Others are saying say debut those were on his camp. And as Stephen Amabeka said debut. Asem oka boni bia nem. Onye tribal. Na a campaign no ye. Ni campaign message no. And in the campaign message no there. They don't see anything wrong with what he has said. Now, moving from that, Osanka Biom say, Honorable Ken onye obi a obey ya asofum. Muntie ni ye o. Stika Stephen Amwa, MP for Nshai so say, Honorable Kennedy Ohini Japan. A opeso obey flag bearer ma MPP no. Onye obi a obey na no, ya osofo bia. Well, that is Stika say talking. But then you mind we know from history. Even and say Mate say I say Honorable Ken call El Bernard also for El Bernard and I say Obisa sorry. Asema koka kra no e generate controversy bebre. So Honorable Ken can say now me I'm not here to say to paint Honorable Ken black or something. No, please don't get me wrong. But I believe say the best way to move forward and say Asemba and Asemiye Nukrea. You rather apologize than trying to make meaning and not trying to explain yourself. That is my genuine belief. That is what I think. Now we know say Honorable Ken Ewo mind we mono on no their relationship have been very there has been a lot of friction. And Stikabeka say in the media, I don't know what your motive is, but well, we wish you the best. Let's go and listen to the interview where Stika said all these things. I will see you in the next one. Hi, Ghana SMTVGH. Leave a comment. I will reply you. Cheers.
Come on. Kwame, na America nyina na ade na ni bie kama. Na chance na ye mo. Say the aka say ye beto aba no na ya prejanesi MPP akunya kesi no so na 2028 yankopon ya atoma inshallah every preja no asi o man na Ghana fusu no mo how be bebe no etimi aba pop kakra
na mugu campaign so a eja mo se delegate ye wo mo nto aba mamu yi na krata bi eni atwa so no pay eye krata mudidi bank claims bi an allegations bi a nipa bia ye de atom so se mu wura compare kon Canada hia Japan the tribalism wura campaign mu se nord na de lalai e ma delegate consider no waka bibisa
Or tribal politics, I think.
Sir, from northern region, dear, Emma delegate and consider Obisa.
One can be beer, sir. Can. At the Moka pet, no man than eno. Grammy, and a pay me and check as you ever made a tearful. And Ghana for you know, teach MP before I'm to a bunny. Yet the woman saying when I'm casting person must party no, because about we a party no ne other candidates and a party no a Canadian Japan. Will be a party, be a party no, Sabi. A higher chance of winning 2028. But to a McKinney, it is uncle for yet a woman to chill. I'm say politics in the air. I am to see a can of cream. Grammy, the okay and say northern region and Crawford here to my mind. If you know ethnicity about two the new say a failure, yen you are no MPC maybe no etini Sabi a report woman di or no Kennedy echi any other candidates need the echi. Teacher no Kennedy say nam so mo ye esremfo no so mo ani omunia esremi achi a o mo yi Sabi esremfo ama enti ama according to the sense ebi no pro ho dia ehemfo community chiefs ni bi ehemfo no fro mo kwa ahemfie no no bu ke e Japan say and e just the politics here you na ye nipa ba ko na say do mo keken da na e ko de dia o mo so say o mo ba south o mo so ye mpese ya ama yo enya Sabi baby obi free enya tribe mo so mo dia mo the tribe e gurugura Sabi ebinom say o mu ni nipa ba ko di achi na sa no mo ko ne dia e no mo so hwe bibi that line na no kasa and kwame that same way ebi ana dia ya ne say so my wo mu obi do betimi aka ne dia obi betimi aye bibi but obi do ntimi nke go kan ne adane no yes a tribal politics this na di wuragura no mo ye niema emfata papa nyankopon ye ba ko pe nyankopon wa mfa ehunhun ne bo bia ebe nyame oye no kwafuo nyame enti kwame that same way no de enye we na ba mo obi nto aba maka ne die Japan that propaganda enye no enti kwame we dey me feel say let's treat this whole issue with is it a pinch of salt or something because inquisition propaganda
na no so ba ku bia no kan ya no call for church and state partnership no so a na no minimum adate bia no so atwa asum a na all call for the church and the state partnership in creating employment for true church members no so a enipa bi kwaje na no si bone se jama se nani sansofo eni sorry
oh no so ka da sofo mpanyimfo ani agi sei na de omu ye de omu asere pa o I say honestly speaking akono ayedia mabinum SDA for I didn't start for SDA when is an same SDA for the whole Ghana 27 district pastors number over 3,000 and premiums echi share aguna ewa Santa region kwame mpacho utie me
mitio pa
invite even sabe Mr. Kan mpanyin kura mpo a ye nyina ye gya no oda ya no kura minim de ebi invite no anya ho ankode ya but no oni ho mpanyin abedi akire ye ne ma me professor no odi ho MPP na hu panyin bia o cause mo GPA say ka o invite other aspirants na ko beba Japan jira ye so a to Japan and you may be annoyed when it's with trust no course our program. So for that Ghana near be question near there, yes, yes, so for penny or Ghana radio TV in the so yes, dear Kokoma 7. Or since politician almost Jimmy or can of Ghana, a Canadian Japan. And you also by Mike and no more Cassa, come my dean, come more, or more, or the abuan sorry. more the aboa SDA more the aboa ebi yenuanom nkramofo ne ade ni nyina wie no say asen and religion you know do level bi a enyum ho odin Ghana ha na SDA ya sorry bi a omo mabu bebre ansoro aka no so mabu bebre asabe ebinom nya adwuma nye yadi ni nyina to aban so a enye yi enti so ani satenye hu say so mo so betimi aboa akreti jobs a na kane no na ensori into schools ensori no mo city schools bebre aban na beje ye etini o Methodist day Methodist JHS Methodist secondary school ya woni nyina ha sameboa opokuare na nya Catholic school opokuare Catholic school St. Augustine St. Peter's na eno no na encreate jobs and my education that is a front child here and me enti omoka edi kwa me we ba na da no aka obi anya anisuade who can see come say na oboa first stakeholders to join him and join the country in creating jobs and why boni kwa me pa so na why boni bi
Dabi.
na ba to te menka
Metu wonka pa.
so ya boni bi a yanka anam say binu manya sa anisuade hu no ana ha wo mu King Japan never spoke against the church. He never ever. King Japan Pablo Nyane can say pastors that were duping and Crawford. Pastors are no more duping Crawford. If you grab any fears on the planet, after or expose you. Now, but never anyway. King Japan on the radio station, F1 sorry, in Crawford. And come up where you see radio station. Come here, I say, I crack over 15 years ago. You free, now they are coming away. But we cry you some network and 1 hour cross and into your NBA and I can come. Minia, we may empire, but 2 bands of because in a Ghana had the air can be.
Anyway,
Well,
they are away from campaign, no. Na Enra, Majidis and now.
No. That be a missing the any I can. I didn't know family and a person. I say, would be so would never buy a member. And no one.
Yes, I cranny to crash out.
Oh, now that come it. Then got a baby, made a cockot. Now, me to be a Obepian, no, a cassa at them. The cockot. Well, I said, near black rasta, because when a family in Nakasa. It's my fair black rasta, man, you know. It's me the mammy lawyers. Family in Nakoko. Very simple crap. Now, why do you say, DNA need the hour? And I may assume Yame. Then cast me a swab of. You'll be a monsieur Yame. Oh, they are here. So almost soon be able to boat here. That's Sabi. The Bisa Echi. Woman in Bamidia. The Dominion coupon way, a woman can. But beyond that, no, at the back of court, a simple cry. Now, I'm taking it to court. Already, you said first place, I make us go for.
Na nim tantan ne ho kura ne parliament nya akono ne ho ne yobia odi gina on ne parliament kura enya akono na me parliament kura enya akono na me nyini so wo ba na so wo ba so de a ene wagu woni na busu nyina anim ase so ba tan pa meti yi enkwala nya me ma ne wo mu enso so free na nsane ne de me nsunu wa ya me video no kwa metimi nhwo eda no omko gu ho no me kan ni wo me dem ha me se awurade nkrofo me kowu na adai na ma kai me bi ekobọ kotoko ne ha se kobọ ni pa wu ye wo stadium no eno na be si me ni so me kai ye ye ka kire mo se abato echi se ye papa se ye bone no esusunsanso no wo ye temamuni a ebeba so abato ekoto ye husunsanso ene ensa kan John Dramani Mahama, he was so desperate for power. Enti niema bia ye soma ne se wonkoye no eno no koye ye e de bagi akonwa betena so na wabeje akonya betena so isu de sa ba tan ye wo Ghana so ye pani so ye abofra wa mampa ebo antimi wudi a ene sa sacrifice we no ye do beka ho efrise nkopon say wo bi nkwawi na kusi ne kusi tirem obi mewe emeti hu fifire entinka entinsi wo mo so enfiri mahama ne fie ne ma no entinsi na busua mu no wo mo nhye enkum wo mako na afei oh thank you for the roses na afei Ghana yenya asomdwie afei yenya asomdwie fi se abaye koto ne na anu etwa mu yi no ewom se MPP fo ankoto aba nanso so NDC fo a wotemam fo omote Ghana no enne ebi mu susu omonu wo so onkoto aba no wo mo ne kofa John Dramani Mahama wudi ni mamofo yi afa besi so na nya asam ne yanka me kan ye koto aba ye kan ha ye see ye do di ade ye do tra konwa so ne atu wa ye sa fa usi subie ne ye do usi subie mu di a na chese ye musuo asante amamre ma ye no me ye kan ye mo antie enne mo bu yi amamre so akofa nnome abetra ye so amene we de Ghana ye emogya na asase yi nom ne saa nom ne saa edipa ewu kura ye hunu de ye nka ho nipa ewu a ye nimu a ye nte ye no ye nka hwese samone kura mo sa di adwadifo e won kran awreho ye twa gya to ba bi o to ade ye hye wo mo niama eti Mahama wodi gya ne nam basahye ade Kwame basahye ade ye to ba wie ya ne gya start to Ghana ubeti yesi jada ha eja hyehye ni pakum won mo kwowu obo asemansim won mo ayeku won mo galanse mu di tuo bonkrofo maku won mo ene obi di be boni nuati ma na wukura won hwe nachi won nwini won tinka ni nyina ye nnome a akofa besi eso ehun sunsuaso ene nne ye ti so abayi o twedi amponyame wada woroma ye sre wada innocent so what temamufo e wo Ghana mo ye innocent wo mo ni boni bia ye sre save them for us please everybody ye sre je wo mo maye na ye mai wo mo ni wo mai Ghana daachi obata bi mi tie me ba ma wo ni aba wiase ye betem enti same me ba wo Ghana na sa musuo we bi kwoto na ke me metena se adidi kade ponche me Mommy and fire nine sharp bata yo mushroom my shoes school fees tua emu kwam enkwala iso ku gare na omadi wonim se wo daachi bisi nani sutu wo peni moja ni na se nyame boa no a wonye baabi esia beto bibia mane maame adibi enne bata o te kwayi kwan ho to banche wo siesie meko wo siesie ntos ena odi ahwe ne ba school Mfa so be no anya free ne ba ne so at the end of the day wa hwere ne ba enti sa exercise we ebi si Ghana da na mibisa se Akufo-Addo wa amfa nipa ebra mo wi school military ni hwan ni nyino no wa amfa nipa na yete ho asem esan se John Dramani Mahama de Ghana akoyi musuo nti wo penipa moja ene wo sum krofo ma ena na yene ne mada air condition mu da papa mu adwodwe ho ene nkrofo emma akowu ya enkwala ni wo na ya nukure ni ahomete se won wo dampo a won suru mo be wo so ye ba so ye be ma wo beti
Lodina to ase kufu ache no wana ase dabo bebe bia to
enti ye sre twedi ampo nyame so onye Ghana boni biara wo meya ye won hu ye mobo efiri se MPP ba mu a samusuo se won hu bi wo man mu emusuo we bi magana nanso so Mahama time nso yiri fa yen Emma Accra mo hye mani patwitwiri de awui
Aka circle je so kan circle so na yi fa ho
ai adai Ghana fo mo fanye nyansasuon de atu yen mo me fanye nyansasua da achi bi aka mfie me nsa wo yanim emene no so ne ekoto aba Momma mo adwene ne musum yen kasa nkyere mo. Momma short memory nya adwuma. Na emombre no so a. Momma mo adwene mu na ho. Monka kai obata obawu no matter what they will give you no. Kai se oba ne tiase a kasa sika pimpim bia mahama de be ma no ka oba ne so mbo chesa. Ebre no so a ma wadwene nya adwuma na koto abapa. Wuni ni wo se na ye never again. Eye NDC na ye never again. Wo